And again, it's very important to really have a value proposition, right? Whether you're a team leader, you're a brokerage, you have to define your value proposition. And by the way, again, going back to what I said about the different categories of agents, they all have their own value propositions that will resonate the most with them, the best with them. Figure that out first. That's very, very important. The second thing is, when you are talking to these agents, you always lead with questions. You really want to identify their pain point or pain points, right? I see this a lot. And by the way, I coach, not only agents, but also broker owners and team leaders. We all have a tendency to really kind of just like share everything that we do, everything that we offer, all of our features and benefits and tools and systems, all of that, right? And that's fine, but it's just not the right time when you're starting a conversation or you're trying to get somebody's attention. We don't want to do that. We really would like to start with questions. Questions about them, questions about their business, questions about their hurdles, their challenges, their pain points, questions about the things that they want to take advantage of, maybe, and they cannot for whatever reason. You need to identify that.